What is card making? This is a bit of a series, and this video is about card making. So, if you're a beginner in paper crafting and the hobby of papers and stickers and journaling and not sure what sort of crafting or type of paper crafting you love, then I want to talk about card making. It's exactly as it sounds, it's making cards. But one thing about card making that is very unique to card making is when you sit down to create a card or collection of cards as a project, it's for the express purpose of probably giving it away. So you're creating and crafting things and using your creative expression for the purpose of someone else's enjoyment. You want to be able to give it away and to gift it and to use it in a way that brings somebody else joy. Most other types of paper crafting are for often things that we want to keep. We can make gifts, of course, and give them away. We can do projects like that. But card making often, its whole purpose is for the purpose of giving something away. It's really beautiful. Plus, the thing about card making is if you are starting in paper crafting and feeling a bit overwhelmed and not sure where to go, a card is a very small canvas. You will feel less overwhelmed, perhaps, starting with making a few cards, then opening up a journal or opening up a scrapbook and looking at a huge blank space.